Hi, dis Neil.
En Jess, en ons hoop julle het 'n baie lekker tyd.
Los asseblief 'n boodskap na die
Beep.
Hi, Neil and Jess. Just to say thank you for inviting us, and it was a wonderful wedding. And then you must know that true love is not found, it is built. So, happy building. Bye.
Hallo julle, dankie vir 'n baie lekker troue en 'n baie lekker naweek. En ja, julle MC was nogal laat, so ek sal net graag sy nommer by julle wil kry. Maar ek hoop julle is baie gelukkig en ons sien uit om weer saam met julle te kuier.
Hi Neil and Jess. First of all, I want to congratulate you on such a wonderful day. It was such a success. I think all I want to tell you is may the good Lord continue to bless your union. May you guys put him first in all that you do, and he will bless you further. I pray the hand of protection over your life, and I pray blessings over your lives. May the rest of your days be the best days of your life, and may you grow stronger and stronger together. I love you guys. Bye.
Hey Jess, it's me again.
The subscriber you have dialed is not available at present. Please do not try again later.